Hey guys, what's happening? How to withdraw from Worldcoin to Binance. So open up the Worldcoin app and press the wallet at the bottom middle. And you're going to see next to the send, you're going to see three dots. Press it. You're going to see a pop-up window. Buy, sell, send, receive, pay, withdraw. So I'm going to select the last option, withdraw. And as you can see, because I don't have any basically basket of assets inside a Worldcoin, I won't be able to choose the Worldcoin. But if you already deposit your funds and trade with Worldcoin, you're gonna see inside the Worldcoin app options, right? Including the Worldcoin app. Select it and basically move on to the section where you will add the generated address from Binance. So if you want to know how to generate the address from Binance, so you can receive it from the app itself to Binance right away, go back to your screen, go ahead and open up Binance app. Click assets at the bottom right, and you're gonna see under the today's P&L, click assets at the bottom. You're gonna see add funds, press it, and you're gonna select the first option, on-chain deposit, right? And of course, search for the coin. In our case, gonna search for the Worldcoin or WLD. You can type it with the shortcut, or type world and you're gonna see, of course, the short name. So select the network, right? Optimism, Ethereum, World Chain. Just go ahead and hit the World Chain. Okay, it says right here, please note that they do not support the deposit of USDC via the World Chain network. If you already know that, as you can see, you can copy the address or the deposit address and paste it inside the Worldcoin app after you select the Worldcoin app, and then add the address generated by Binance, and you'll receive Worldcoin to your Binance wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.